my name is Eliana Spencer, and I will be telling you about my science fair project on bio-based plastics. My problem is, can I make a bio-based plastic that fully decomposes? My hypothesis is, if I make a bioplastic that fully decomposes, then there will be less plastic in landfills because it will decompose. My independent variable is the recipe I use. My dependent variable is the quality of the plastic. The constant is the amount of plastic I used, and the control variable is the quality of the plastic. My materials to make the plastic were water, gelatin, and glycerin. The materials I used for the test was tape, soil, coffee, mustard, water, and pennies. The reason I have tape and pennies is to test how strong it would be and how many pennies it would hold. The reason I have soil and water is to see if it would decompose in the soil and the water. The reason I have coffee and mustard is to see if it would stain. So my procedure is, I made the plastic out of the water, glycerin, and gelatin. Then I tested to see if it would stain, how it would do in weather, if it would decompose outside in water or soil. And my results were that test 1 was very flexible and strong and decomposed outside, but not in the water or the soil. Tests 2 and 3 were very flexible and strong, but did not decompose outside, but decomposed in the water and not the soil. And a couple other things I noticed were that they melted in the heat, and but they didn't. They hardened in the freezer, but they did not harden in the soil or the water. My conclusion is my hypothesis was refuted because they did not fully decompose. If I could do something differently, I would have waited longer to see how many days it would take to decompose. Thank you for listening to my project.